And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1. The fungus provides chemotherapeutic agent that is used to inhibit fungal growth. NUMS 2015. A. Aspergillus. B. Penicillium notatum. C. Penicillium griseofulvum. D. Claviceps purpurea. 2. Dark purple or black spore case of Claviceps purpurea is NUMS 2015. A. Smut. B. Rust. C. Ergot. D. Aspergin. 3. Annually ___% of fruit is lost due to fungi. NUMS 2015. A. 15–20%. B. 25–30%. C. 35–55%. D. 60–80%. 4. The fungal cell wall contains NUMS 2018. A. Peptidoglycan. B. Pectin. C. Chitin. D. Cellulose. 5. Molds and yeast are classified as FMDC 2012. A. Rhodophytes. B. Bryophytes. C. Fungi. D. Flagellates. 6. Select the false statement. FMDC 2013. A. All fungi are saprophytic. B. Mycology is the study of fungi. C. Fungi are non-coenocytic. D. Puccinia is an obligate parasite. 7. All of the following are characteristics of kingdom fungi except FMDC 2015. A. Heterotrophic. B. Sessile. C. Cell wall. D. All of above. 8. Italic is the scientific name of a FMDC 2015. A. Fungus. B. Smut. C. Bacterium. D. Yeast. 9. The stored food in fungi is usually lipid droplets of FMDC 2015. A. Glucose. B. Ascorbic. C. Glycogen. D. Sucrose. 10. They are organelles of symbiotic origin. FMDC 2017. A. Nucleolus and mitochondria. B. Golgi complex and C. Chloroplast and mitochondria. D. Mitochondria and Chapter 8. Diversity among plants. 11. Galantamine hydrobromide is a compound derived from ETEA 2019 med. A. Cannabis. B. Coca. C. English U. D. Daffodil. 12. Dicotyledonous flowers are usually ETEA 2015. A. Cleistogamous. B. Trimeris. C. Tetra, pentamerous. D. Inconspicuous. 13. Antheridiophore is present in ETEA 2015. A. Funaria. B. Riccia. C. Marchantia. D. Polytrichum. 14. Heterosporia occur in ETEA 2015. A. Selaginella. B. Aquisitum. C. Lycopodium. D. Lepidodendron. 15. All of the following are dioecious except ETEA 2014. A. Ulva. B. Funaria. C. Marchantia. D. Polythecum. 16. All of the following are gametophytes except ETEA 2014. A. Club mosses. B. Funaria. C. Liverworts. D. Hornworts. 17. A spore of fern plant develops into ETEA 2014. A. Zygote. B. Sporophyte. C. Gametophyte. D. Prothallus. 18. In angiosperms the megaspore develops into ETEA 2014. A. Embryo. B. Embryo sac. C. Seed. D. Male gametophyte. 19. A spore of fern plant develops into ETEA 2014. A. Zygote. B. Sporophyte. C. Gametophyte. D. Prothallus. 20. Selaginella is the living member of ETEA 2013. A. Psilopsida. B. Lycopsida. C. Sphenopsida. D. Pteropsida. 21. A sporophyte that depends on gametophytes is ETEA 2013. A. Adiantum. B. Pinus. C. Mustard plant. D. None. 22. Club mosses are also called ETEA 2011. A. Psilopsida. B. Sphenopsida. C. Lycopsida. D. Pteropsida. 23. Equisetum is the living member of ETEA 2010. A. Psilopsida. B. Pteropsida. C. Sphenopsida. D. Lycopsida. 24. All of the following are gametophyte plants except ETEA 2010. A. Liverwort. B. Aquisitum. C. Funaria. D. Polytrichum. 25. All of the following plants possess actinomorphic flowers except ETEA 2010. A. Rose. B. Potato. C. Apple. D. Pea. 26. A pollen grain germinates and develops into ETEA 2009. A. Prothallus. B. Sporophyte. C. Microgametophyte. D. Megagametophyte. 27. All of the following belong to mosses except ETEA 2009. A. Funaria. B. Polytrichum. C. Sphagnum. D. Club mosses. 28. Alternation of generations in plants is regarded as a mechanism for ETEA 2008. A. Achieving haploidy. B. Promoting survival. C. Producing diploid. D. Having no significance. 29. Class Phyllocenae belongs to phylum ETEA 2008. A. Tracheophyta. B. Bryophyte. C. Thylophyta. D. Embryophyta. 30. In bryophytes, sterile hair are produced between sex organs to keep them. ETEA 2008. A. Dry. B. Wet. C. Worm. D. Covered. 31. Which one of the following is necessary for evolution of seeds? 2005. A. Introduction of heterospory. B. Retention of the megaspore within megasporangium. C. Fertilization of the egg prior to discharge. D. All of the above. 32. All of the following are angiosperms except 2005. A. Cactus. B. Amaryllis. C. Lily. D. Firs. 3. The flower of chrysanthemum may be formed by removing ETEA 2006. A. All leaves. B. All branches except one. C. All flower buds except one. D. All buds. 34. Consider the following names of some plants. 2005. I. Grapes. 2. Mango. 3. Oats. Ivy. Willow. Which one of them is the most appropriate for panic inflorescence? A. I. 2 and 3 only. B. I and 2 only. C. I and IV only. D. 2 and IV only. 35. In grapes and mangoes, the inflorescence is ETEA 2011. A. Panicle. B. Multiparacemi. C. Capitulum. D. Umbel. 36. Kelps are ETEA 2016. A. Diatoms. B. Red algae. C. Green algae. D. Brown algae. Checkmark answers. 1. B. 2. C. 3. C. 4. C. 5. C. 6. A. 7. D. 8. A. 9. C. 10. C. 11. D. 12. C. 13. C. 14. A. 15. B. 16. A. 17. D. 18. B. 19. D. 20. B. 21. C. 22. C. 23. C. 24. B. 25. D. 26. C. 27. D. 28. B. 29. A. 30. A. 31. D. 32. D. 33. C. 34. A. 35. A. 36. D.